Hello, today you are gathered together with TB Education YouTube channel. Now I am going to teach you grade 9 science 17th lesson. Lightning accidents. Lightning causes loss of human, animal and plant life. Lightning comes loss of lives and property not only Sri Lanka but also in other countries. The lightning activity is at its peak in months of March to April and October to November. Meteorologists call those two periods intermonsoon. In this intermonsoon period, the temperature of atmosphere close to the earth is high. Blowing of wind is low. This increases the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. This water vaporizes up and also get cooled, forming clouds. Cumulonimbus is the type of cloud that contributes most to lightning. These are located at the height of about 15,000 meters from the ground level. Now let us learn about how lightning occurs. Because of these, rubbing electrostatic charges are formed in the crystal and water droplets. There are two types of electrostatic charges. They are positive and negative. The air in the cloud is an insulator. When large amount of charges are developed like this, a moment will arise where electricity can flow even through air. Then a jump of electrical charges or an electric discharge occurs. This phenomenon is known as lightning. There are some types of lightning. They are cloud to cloud lightning, cloud to air lightning, cloud to ground lightning. A jump of charges either between two regions of charged cloud or between two clouds with different charges is referred as to cloud lightning. Discharge of charges accumulated in cloud occurs to surrounding air. It is called cloud to air lightning. The dangerous lightning is cloud to ground lightning. The voltage of cloud to ground lightning is about 10 million volts. In such a lightning, a current of nearly 25,000 amperes flows. The voltage of an LED lamp used in houses is 230 volts. When thundering, first a wave is generated followed by sound wave. The result is sound wave is the thunder. In lightning, light is seen first and sound heard afterwards. The reason for this is the speed of light is very high, whereas the speed of sound is much less than the speed of light. The speed of light is very high. The light travel from the place where lightning occurs to us is nearby small. Now let us learn about how lightning get earth. There are four ways that lightning get earth. They are number 1 direct light, number 2 side flashes, number 3 contact voltages, number 4 step potentials. A strike of lightning on a solitary man, tree or building standing on a flat land is known as direct strike. The reason for side flashes is the flow of the lightning current through man's body is easier than the flow through a building or a tree. Being struck by an lightning at the time of its production because of touching domestic electric appliances or using cellular phones is known as contact voltage. The lightning current that enters the body of the man or animal from one leg which passes through the other leg is known as step potential. Now let us learn about prevention of lightning accidents. Fixing lightning conductors for tall buildings and maintain it properly. Installing earthwires properly in domestic electric circuits. Identify safe sites in advance when planning outdoor activities. Now let us learn about steps to minimize lightning accidents. Not stay on trees or highlands when lightning occurs. being seated if it is required to stay in an open board, limiting use of landline phones as much as possible, refrain of using electric irons, refrigerators, etc. Now let us learn about first aid for person struck by lightning. If refrigerator has stopped, give artificial respiration. If the heartbeat is stopped, massage the heart. Now our lesson is over. Now you don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it now.